Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Lynn's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet Southern style iced tea. All you're going to need is 3/4 cup of sugar. I have 1 large tea bag, so if you don't have a large, use 3. And then I do use sulfur water. For some reason, the sulfur waters taste a lot better than city water. If you don't have sulfur, then try going to the store and buying spring water. The better your spring water or the better your water tastes, the better your tea is going to be. Okay, just put water in your pot. It doesn't matter how much. I try to get as much as I possibly can. And then I'm going to put my bag in here and I'm just going to let it cook until it starts to boil. Okay, after we get our tea to boiling, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some more water and I'm going to put about 1/4 of the weight of water in here. This is a 2-quart pitcher. Then I'm going to take 3/4 of my sugar. We're going to put it in there. And then we're just going to stir this up until it dissolves and wait for the rest of the tea to cook. Okay, we've dissolved our sugar in our water. We have boiled our tea. All we're going to do is add our liquid to our container. And a lot of people tell you, do not squeeze tea bag because it'll make it better. That's a misconception. Squeeze that tea bag. You want every flavor out of it. And then we're going to stir it up. And then we're going to add the rest of the water to our pitcher. And then we're going to sit it in the refrigerator until it cools. The longer you let it sit in the refrigerator, the sweeter it's going to get. But if you want it sweet right then and there when it comes fresh off the stove, then use a whole cup. And you do not need to steep. Okay, that's all you have to do in order to make Southern style sweet tea. If you like my recipe, please like and subscribe.